yo. Hello, my velvets. Here I am in my bed. I have been waiting until very late, until all of the shadows arrive. Oh, yo. Some of them are very small and very fragile, so I have to make sure I don't move too much or make too much noise in case I scare them away. It is a good thing, if you are going to go into the world of shadows, to wear something a bit dark, so the shadows think you may be their friend. And then they will show themselves to you. You see? Here I am wearing my dark pajamas over my normal ones. That will trick them. I just have to sit very still until the last shadow comes out. Oh, yeah. Is that the shadow world opening? Oh, Kiki. Kiki. Oh, she's fallen asleep. Kiki. It's okay, I will go on my own. Are you ready to come with me into the world of shadows? I'll see you there. I don't know about you, but sometimes, when I stay up super late or wake up in the middle of the night and I find myself in the shadow realm, I can feel a little bit wobbly, a little bit anxious, to be thinking all these things in my head, round and round and round, like, oh no, I did not put the wash on, now I only have clothes that are blue. Or that time I said to Kiki that I liked mice and made her very sad. I am a terrible friend, I must write her a special apology in the morning. Or, oh no, what if maybe we are actually living on the ceiling and I think I'm the right way around, but the whole time I've actually been upside down and I am actually living in the mirror. Do you think these things? Because the thing is, when the sun comes up in the morning and casts its light on everything, and all of the complex shadows have run away, we realize, it is not so bad after all. Blue is a nice color. The mice were sweet. I am the right way up. And so forth. These shadows can be very tricky, They like to play tricks on you and make you doubt yourself and think, what is that thing over there? Why does that look like a monster face? And so forth. But the beauty is, the daytime is all the more beautiful for the nighttime, The darkness and the deepness and the complex, mysterious nature of shadows make the day all the more brighter. So we must enjoy it, To think, I am strong, I will not let these shadows play tricks on me. And the moon is my friend. Oh, it's just me. You see here, the best thing for a clean and crisp shadow is darkness and then one very clear light source. Because if you think about it, in the night time, when the deepest, darkest shadows come out to play, for example, the branches of a tree, or the silhouette of a cat walking across a wall, or maybe a bat flitting overhead, it is because there is darkness and one very clear light source, and that shines on the item, the branch, the cat or the bat, for example, and casts a shadow onto a surface. Oh, Kiki! Kiki, you've woken up. Come inside. It's Kiki? Oh, it's not too scary. I think you'll like it. Kiki? Kiki? Kiki, are you there? Oh. This is not Kiki. She must still be sleeping. I'll put her there for now. So, one of the best examples of a light source in the nighttime is the moon herself. Oh, yo. The moon will glow bright in the sky, and anything that gets in her way will cast a long and spooky shadow. When you are thinking about making shadow theatre at home, the best example of a light source will be something like a torch. Here you see, a torch is very handy because you can get them in lots of different shapes and sizes, and they are very easy to move around, and that is good when you are doing some theatre. Ooh, you see? If you have not got a torch at home, you can also find a very handy torch on your phone a lot of the time, like this. Aha! That is a very bright torch that you can find on a phone, but that is good as well. The thing about using a torch or a source of light is just to play around with shapes and sizes. For example, when the torch is closer to the surface, the light is smaller, and it is also much clearer and crisper. When it is further away, then the light will be bigger but not as crisp. Similar things, when you put your item closer to the sheet, it is crisper but smaller and closer to the light. These things are all things you can play around with, you see? Another thing you can do is put some coloured sweetie wrappers on your torch to change the colour of it, like to make it red or purple or yellow. I have some very good tips in my video about lighting that you can see the link to below. Oh, thank you, Kiki. She must be awake now. Another thing to think about, if you want to keep your hands free for all of your shadow puppetry moving, is to use something like a lamp. Oh, yo. So a lamp you could maybe find in the house, like this one here. I like this one very much. And the thing is with a lamp is you can place it where you want it to be, and then you can just turn it on and off depending on where you want to use it in your show. And you have your hands completely free to use as much as you want. Here, I have also made a kind of cone out of cardboard that I will place over the lamp, I think, to make a nice clean and crisp shape. You can really make any shape you want. I like this circle because it looks a little bit like it might be in the cinema, you know? Oh, yo. That is very good. I have a very important visit in the morning to see my friend at the Sharmanka Theatre. Oh, I'm very excited indeed. I cannot wait for you to meet him. Oh, but I should get to bed because it is very late. I think maybe 3 or 4 in the morning. Oh, yo. Good night, lamp. You sit there. Good night, cone. Good night, torch. Good night, Percy. Kiki, I'm gonna go to bed in a second. I just thought I'd brush my teeth. Do you want a saucer of milk for bedtime or anything? Kiki? Oh, yeah, I'm very tired. I will brush my teeth, Kiki. I'm just going to close my eyes for a second, just a little second. Oh, yo. Just a small second. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh, yeah. I will brush my teeth in a sec. Oh, yes, don't forget to like the video if you like it. Please. It means a lot to me and Kiki. Oh, yo, and please subscribe. I'm not going to sleep, I will brush my teeth. I'm just gonna rest my eyes a second.